Our larger Prima buildings expand the scope of your opportunity beyond what a mini pod can offer. These buildings are still small enough to be squeezed into the redundant corner of your existing garden and release space inside your house that might be doubling up as an office on the kitchen table or craft work in the bedroom and can sometimes cause pressure within the family home. Perfect as a simple, dedicated sanctuary space away from partners, pets and children, these buildings will suit any home and garden. If it's an office to work from home, the commute's pretty short too.